Rồi, Princess.
Hi guys, we're making pizza today. So these are the ingredients.
Careful.
Paper please.
It's okay, Princess.
Guys.
It's okay. So you say you have tomato, salt, pizza. What's that? Pizza dough,
That's tomato sauce. Then you need
cheese. Cầm cheese
and
lên.
cheese.
This
and
is
pepperoni.
pepperoni. Okay, start to do it. Everyone is doing it. Ây da, khoái lắm luôn. Hãy đưa nhà lên này.
Hey John.
Thích làm pizza. Ay, 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 ay.
Yay. What does that mean?
It means yay, yay.
What does yay even mean?
Làm cho đều vào nha. All over, okay?
Hey. Is it yummy? Even if it's not cooked? It is yummy.
John là người trên bàn luôn đó. John là ngồi sụn trên bàn luôn.
Stop! Don't make it so fast. Make it slow. And there's some. Okay, I know. My hand is dirty. What does this taste?
Johnny trông rất là chuyên nghiệp này. Johnny làm này.
It smells like lemon. Tastes like lemon, the sauce. Very lemon. It tastes like spaghetti sauce.
Như vậy đã đủ chưa? Bên này chưa có nè. Oh, Johnny.
It's cheeseburger, please. I think that's enough. Cheeseburger. That's
Ok.
enough.
Rồi, bỏ cái gì nữa hay? Bỏ cheese. Cheese xong rồi bỏ macaroni cheese trước chứ. Bỏ cái này trước này.
No.
Không, cái này trước and then cheese. Còn muốn two layer, you can put cheese first and then macaroni.
No, cheese.
Yes. Okay, and then on the top, yes. And then on the top, you can make it layer of cheese, two layer. Okay, everyone get it, okay?
This is how they do.
Ok, mẹ quên đổ trong đĩa cho mẹ đưa cho dễ. Mẹ đổ trong đèn cho dễ.
Hey, why are you super close to that phone?
Đây. Ok, đổ trong này cho dễ ha. Đổ dưới sàn, everyone bóc.
Raining pepperoni. Raining cheesy. Raining cheesy. Raining cheesy. Oh, it's like it's raining pizza. It's raining. It's raining cheesy. What up of the sky? Cheesy. Wait, stop. Yeah, keep going. Do it on the edges. There's not enough on the edges. want no more. Just no more.
Hết cái đó là đủ nha. Rồi, bỏ hết đó là bỏ pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Yeah, that's the name.
Pepperoni?
Yeah, you see?
It's pepper. No, it's
Pepperoni. This is a different name, okay? It's you see? Pepperoni.
pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
Pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's called. Pepperoni.
Ok. Bỏ vào có bỏ vào đây, đổ vào đây.
I think this will be enough.
Yeah, not too much. You can eat this, right?
What does
One by one layer, okay?
It tastes very good. Make a pizza now.
Make a pizza now.
Make a smiley.
Yeah.
Smiley.
After that, you can put a little cheese on the top to make they stick together, okay?
It's not time for eating. I think pizza supposed to look like that. There's more pepperoni. Wait, I know how to make this pepperoni. Just do this. Cover it in a circle. And make another. Do the same. So cool. Is that all? Wait. We're not done making the circle. And do the same. And then we're done. Okay. Now we can eat it. No, we can't eat. Oh, we can eat those pepperonis.
Are you done?
Yep.
So now Mama will put in the oven, okay?
There's still more.